All right, how you guys doing? This is Dark Dave. I need to quit doing that. I do that all the time with my glasses. All right, I'm in the garage today. It is 20 degrees outside. Hopefully you guys noticed in one of my recent videos, I have got a new trike. So I have to do some things to it. I had to add drink holders. I wanted a backrest. You know, I like Harley Davidson. It's a great company. I'm very proud to own a Harley Davidson. I've owned a number of bikes through the years. Stupid light. But Harley, quit putting the hill shifter on, and I have bad knees, so I need the hill shifter to make it a little easier on myself. So I'm going to put a hill shifter on. All right, so getting ready to do this. 7/16, and I can't remember what size this is. 3/16. Wearing glasses, and it's cold. So hook this on the bottom, hook this on the top. I've already checked the angle. I am taking off so it's to where I can finger it. Haha. So take these, stick them up here. This piece comes right off. That's super easy. I pull off the large spacer. I put on the small spacer. Just for size comparison, it's about half the length. So I put it back on. The small spacer on there. Now, I know I brought it out here. I'll be back in a second. I seem to have not brought out the... All right. By the way, I have a habit of I will leave things in other places. This was left on the kitchen table. I know the wife is probably so happy that I leave it on there, but it's off now, so it's being attached. Now I'm putting this up front because I like it dark up here. I'm going to eventually get another one, put it back here, but until then, I'm just going to leave black and silver or black and chrome. The black looks good here, and God knows it could just look great, and I could be happy with it just black and chrome instead of black and black. So, you have little teeth in here that match these teeth. And that was pointing right towards there. Just want me down a touch more. All right, so I tighten her up. You're not going to tighten her all the way. You're supposed to just tighten her a touch. Make sure that there's a little gap here. All right, I'm going to have to get my phone out because, wow, that's really dark in there. Make sure I get the gap. There we go. All right. That's how it's supposed to go, just real gentle. And you just finger tight it till it's on there. Now, I wanted to make sure I had enough room for my foot to go under. I got pretty big feet, so it's under there, and I got enough room so I'm not crushing that. Now, you notice this goes towards the bike, the curve comes out. You want this, the rear one, to be pretty flat. I think I need a touch more. There we go. That way it's got room to move. I should still have room for my feet in there. Oops. Might help I turn the light off. Well, let's make sure I've got that in there right. Okay. So that's in there right. I turn that light back off. Well, you can try and turn that light back off. There it goes. So I put that in there, which is the bolt, and the nuts down below. So they're loose right now. I'm going to tighten them up in a minute. Because I'm a klutz, I cover things so I don't ruin them. The only thing I had to buy extra for this, I didn't have these. I've got Allen wrenches, but I didn't have the one I wanted. So I now tighten this down, so we'll tighten it instead of loosen. Go into the rear. Tighten that down. Do the same with the front. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but it is 20 degrees outside, which means it's probably just about freezing in here. Now, I was talking about when I did the seat. This is still not my long pieces. I'm going to show you those, so hold on a second. This is my standard. My short is about here. Let me grab my long real fast so I can show you the ones I use in my truck. And then I get my longs. Okay, gonna stop this for a second. All right, thank you guys very much for watching. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe on YouTube. One of the things that YouTube does, once you get 1,000 people, they start really liking your channel better and they start, pushing it a little better. If you don't, that's cool. I do not do this for money. This is because I enjoy it. Hopefully you guys are enjoying and learning some things with it. But I want your opinion. Now you tell me. I personally like with the black and black, but I'm thinking the black and the chrome actually doesn't look bad. I think it's kind of neat. It blends pretty cool in there. So what do you guys think? Black is in front, chrome is in back. I'm thinking it looks really nice. I very much like it. I've got plenty of room here to get my massive feet under there. I've got room so I'm not hitting the front. I've got enough so I can easily put my heel on it. Move my tools out of the way. I already told you the sizes of the tools. I don't know if I'm going to write them in the description. I'm kind of lazy that way. But I'm trying to change the bike up to be more me. I've got my wife's drink holder put back on. She likes having a drink holder there. I've got my drink holder on. These are big ass drink holders. My heated seat, which I'm sorry, I live in a cold climate. I need it, and I do ride year round. I have my backrest. I might have to adjust it, but I'm pretty happy with it right now. I am gonna probably move the tour pack back 3 inches to give my wife some more room. She complains that it's tight back in there, and if I don't have the backrest on and we're out on a trip and I have to go somewhere, I have a bad back. I use that to give my back a break. If she's with me, no problem, I lean on her. But I'm hoping you guys have a good one. Please let me know what you think of these. I don't do a huge amount of install stuff because it's a trike. It's got pretty much everything you want on it. The luggage rack I'm having Harley put on. I am not drilling into my bike. I will let someone else do that who's a professional, and if they screw it up, they fix it. I haven't put on yet the bras. What do you guys think? Should I go ahead and put my bras back on there? I'm probably going to do it just to keep it from getting paint scratch. But I've been told that they have like a plastic type stuff they can put there that's clear, that supposedly is removable. I've got to look into that a little more and see what that's like, because I love the paint. I love the look. So I'm trying to think what's best. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. This is Dark Dave. You guys have a great day.